Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Atau Musafir. Alright, today I am with my friend, you know, his name is Doktoro with adapter. But you know, I'm very glad none today because you know, after we got breakfast, we're gonna go hiding to the, you know, the biggest mall in Medan. But after that, we're hiding to Medan Museum. After that, yeah, we went preparing to go back to Bandar Aceh. But you know, can you imagine that after I promote 5 kan, you know that artefak Prophet baginda Sallam, clothes, and then teeth, and then turban, and then chap, and then anything about, you know, the behind from baginda Sallam. So if you want to see to my country, Indonesia, come to Indonesia because you never find country like Indonesia or Aceh in your life because the most beautiful thing in Indonesia, totally awesome. Alright, my speeding up. What for now?